Hey guys, this is Best Developer 2020. This video I'm gonna show you the new model of the Casio 82ES calculator. Okay, so now let's begin with the unboxing. First off, I'm gonna read this. Here is it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put this all up here. We got also a catalog. Okay, here's the calculator. See some instruction here. Okay, and here on the calculator, see how it looks. It looks very fun. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.